Assalamu alaikum dear listeners, welcome to our YouTube channel Critical Thinking and Research. I am Aksa Mukhtar. As you know that we have entered into a new year, so I want to wish all of you a very best of luck in the start of this year. I hope you all have made new resolutions and set new targets for this year. So today, which idea I am going to narrate will surely help you to fulfill your self-promises and to make possible to every impossible. This is 10th idea from the book Thought Out of Box by Professor Mubashir Altaf. So let's start. The title of this idea is I am unstoppable. Whenever I said I would do it, I have done it to some extent at least. When I thought about the things that are not possible for me, they remain undone until today. Whenever I say confidently that I can do it, the chances are that I do it. Why is it that? What is the psychology behind it? I studied about it and reached that continuous positive saying gradually reached the subconscious. Positive thinking reduced anxiety and depression inside me. Each saying releases negative energy accumulating inside me. Meditation and positive sayings recharged me for positive and productive actions. The positive saying has a very positive effect on my mindset about life and meanings. It worked like magic. Whenever I was stuck in a situation that produced negative energy in me, and I feel in anxiety, depression, and sadness, and found no way out, I often said to myself, I am unstoppable. Soon I found the way. So, be positive. Thank you so much.